It's the Mantis Man, Giant Killer's Ladybug here at Niu FM. We are living it up. It's 19 and a half minutes past 11 o'clock. And I got the brother here live in the studio. Warm, big welcome to Giant Killer, man. How you doing, brother?
Hey, bro, I'm going good. I'm good. Good to be here.
What? There's a big gig coming up in less than 9 days. We're talking about the Mix of 4.
Yes.
Something you're looking forward to, bro?
Definitely looking forward to it. Every year I look forward to it, and then like I said, I've been blessed again to be asked to perform this year. So I really don't want to give too much away.
That's a good sell, right?
But all I can say is it'll be worth your $25 to come watch.
Just you alone.
Obviously me, but then also the other awesome acts on the lineup as well. But in my case, it'll definitely be bringing that nice groove and a good show just for everyone to enjoy and definitely be part of this event. It's awesome. So big ups to Niu FM for putting this on again. Everyone out there listening, make sure you get your tickets. $25 from Ticket Direct.
That's the one, man.
Or $40 at door sales. But you don't want door sales. Come on, everyone. $25. It's
Know what's happening in your hood. Click on niufm.com.